Do they miss you? Do they think about you? Welcome on this reading, guys. It's Shreya Khanna, and you're watching a tarot card reading. This reading is going to be timeless for you. Whenever you come across this reading will resonate with you. Okay, so I don't know how long you are not in contact with this person. This reading is completely going to be based on, do they think about you? Okay. All right. So guys, you want to book with me? Book with me on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below. I do love readings. I do career readings. I do different kind of readings. Whatever you're looking for, I'm the right person to book with. Okay, if my energy is matching with you, if divine is letting you talk to me, yes, go ahead and book a personal reading. That's for sure. Okay. All right. Now, guys, do they think about you? This reading is entirely based on their feelings for you, and if your feelings come up, I would definitely check for you also. All right. So guys, whatever the first card comes up, the whole reading is gonna be based on that, right? Whatever the first card comes up, I'm gonna be, point blank, truthful, whatever, tarot cards are telling me, that do they think about you? Because tarot cards are always like, I just feel that tarot card readings are always on point. Okay, so yeah, because I'm telling you this, I'm putting in my time, I'm putting in my energy in this. I'm asking from divine, I'm asking from God. Okay, so this is how it works. This is how the whole energy and tarot cards work. And if you believe in it, definitely go on and check this reading. Definitely. Okay, so right, do they think about you? Holy divine, the first card will tell us everything how they think about you. Okay, holy divine, please give us the right kind of reading that my subscribers are looking for. Okay, so guys, like this video, okay, comment and share with those people who you think that are looking for this reading. All right. All right, and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell icon, so whenever I post, you get the first notification that what I have posted, and you might be looking for it. All right, do they think about you? Do your no contact person thinks about you, my viewers? Okay, do they think about my viewers? Do my no contact, sorry, not my no contact, do my viewers no contact think about my viewers? All right. All right. All right. Do they think about you? Wow. I think they're a bit hesitant towards their own energy for you. Let's see. Do they think about you? I can hear Shank right now. Thank you, divine. I can see the birds. I can hear the Shank. Okay, this might be a reading for you. Do they think about you? Divine, help us. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Do they think about you? Yeah, hell, sure, they do. They do. Oh my God. I can hear you, Shreya Khanna. Yes, they think about you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy divine. They think about you. They think about you in the most romantic way. They think about you as a love partner. They think about you. You're the only one for them. This is double four. Whenever the double four comes, this is triple four. Whenever the double four comes in a reading, when we are talking about you and them, it is, yes, your hearts are connected. Boom. They think about you. And I mean, Guys, I'm just gonna show you this one. There is a hangman situation here. Divine, thank you. Divine is telling you, yes, they think about you, and you guys are waiting for each other. Okay, they're waiting for you. They're waiting for you. They are like, hanged up. They're hanged up for you. They're like, why did you leave? They're like, why did you leave? They're asking from God, what happened, God? What happened? Why are they not with me? I'm not making this up, by the way, okay? This is the whole energy. This is Six of Cups, this is Five of Wands, and this is the Empress, okay? Let's see. The whole energy, I told you, whatever the first card comes up, this is the whole reading is gonna be based on that, okay? So this is the Lover's card. They think about you all the time. They think about you all the time, literally all the time. This is Hanged Man. They think like so much about you. They are thinking why you left, okay? Not joking, guys. Like this video, comment down Radhe Krishna if you have this amazing energy, if you are receiving this amazing energy, okay? There is a Judgment card. There is Five of Wands card, okay? There is Six of Cups card. We have the Empress card. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, you know what? I don't want to make this reading very cliche, but this reading is like more cliche when I have these two cards together. I have my cards placement here and I see these two cards together. And you know what? This is giving me a vibe. This reading is going to be very cliche. Oh my God, look at that. Before you, they never even thought of love. Before you, they never even thought they could love someone the way they did you, the way you loved them. Oh my God, they want to be... They first of all, they think that you are the one. They think you have changed their life completely. If they are thinking of God, okay? If they are thinking of God, if they are thinking of, removing away all of their karmas, removing away all of their... Oh my God. Removing away all of their obstacles, removing all of their, their karmas, canceling all of the cycles. It's you. It's you they think of. This is the wings. This is the sky and this is the earth, okay? This is the wings. You are someone who is connected to your roots and your sky. You are a medium. I don't know why, but I'm getting something that you could be a spiritual person. You could be a healer. You could be a tarot card reader. You could be a Reiki practitioner. I don't know who you are, but you are a medium. Divine is giving me these symbols right now that you are a medium. Guys, this is more like your roots and the sky. You go to heaven. You are on earth and you go to heaven. There is an energy that connects your roots to sky, and that's like that's a Devi. That's a Devi. I don't know which Devi is it. I feel that's a Dhumavati Devi. I'm not sure, but there is a Devi that is, blessing you, that has that has her blessings on you. Okay, you could be a female, you could be a masculine also. If you're watching this reading, you are someone of that sort. You, whenever they think about you, whenever they think about God, they think about you. I am more like... Initially they thought of you and their love together. You and them are together, okay? Then they got stuck in some kind of love situation with you only. Or maybe there is a third party. There could be a family, there could be their friends, there could be a work situation which got them stuck up. Okay, they had to let you go. And then there is more like a, since then you both are in low vibrations with each other. This is what I'm seeing right now. It's more like the same fire that can help, that you both can help each other to lighten up. The same fire is giving both of you this jealous vibes from each other. And that's not even the case. Like, have you watched Mr. and Mrs. Smith by any chance? I just realized, I just had this feeling of Mr. and Mrs. Smith. They were working for a company. They had to, do something to each other because they were rivals according to their company, but they were married, right? So they couldn't do it. I just saw 1111. Okay, I just saw this card, this Mr. and Mrs. Smith vibe, that whatever it is, maybe you're fighting with each other, but deep down inside you can't live without each other. You can't, you can't be separated, even if the whole world is telling you, you know what, you're rivals. And deep down inside, you both, when you see each other, when you are in front of each other, and you're like, you know what, you're at my gunpoint, I'm fighting with you, and this and that. You do that for some time, and after that, bam, you are together. The whole world, you can fight with the whole world when you're together just to be with each other. And guys, I see number 12 with the hangman. You can't live without each other, no matter how much, this hatred, this jealousy. 12 is coming for both of you. Both of you are so in love. I mean, you must think that I'm like making this up. No, I'm not. Trust me, when I'm reading my tarot, it is my truth, it is my cards, it is something that I do every single day, and I don't joke about it. I'm just wanna be point blank here. I don't joke about it. Okay? Irrespective of whether you're divine lovers, irrespective of whether you are twin flames or not, irrespective of whether you're soulmates or not, you are divine lovers, you are lovers, you love each other. And there was a double four when this card came up. And if you're, I'm gonna tell you this, if you're watching this reading, you're blessed. Okay, I just prayed before this reading. I just prayed to God that, you know what, God, give my viewers in my reading something to hold on to, and the right kind of hope, right? So divine gave you this. If divine gave you this, do they think about you? Yes, excuse me, they do. Every single time, every single day. You're not off their brain. They want to be father or mother of your child. Yay! This is what was coming on. You're so blessed. Okay, now they miss you a lot. They miss all those times when they were a child and they thought that they were always with you. It is more like divine has given you by their side to be someone of a light. Okay, you are the light. I'm not kidding, guys. You are the light. I see the light here. There is a moon, there could be anything, but you're the light. They want to be father or mother of your child. And they want you to be father or mother of their child. How cute is that? How cute is that? Oh my God. I don't joke about my tarot card readings, guys. I don't joke about it. They made you go. They made you go because they were under a pressure. Or you let someone go because you were under a pressure. Okay? This is 144 reading. This is a light worker reading. Not a light worker, but you're a light. Okay? You let them go, or they let you go because of the pressure that they had. Okay? Now they're waiting for you. I mean, I mean, it's like giving me all the love vibes today. I don't know why. All right. So the same fire that can help you light up the world is the same fire that is making you feel jealous with each other. You are a divine couple. I'm going to tell you this. Those power couples, I've realized this. The two when two people who are power couple and they come together, okay, you guys are power couple. Okay, I just think that you have this divineness about you. Do you see this Five of Wands card? This is truth, by the way. You fight amongst each other, and um when two power couple come across each other, they have always lived a life where they are teaching someone else how to how to manage their finances, how to manage family, how to manage something something something. Okay, they are already mature. These two people when they come across, okay, they are already up their game by helping others. But when they come towards each other, they don't know how to handle someone else who is already doing a lot, right? So you are a complete package in yourself, and you are just there with each other because you kind of understand where this person is coming from, and that person understands where you're coming from. And honestly, guys, I'm just like, I did not know. I knew, but I did not know that this reading is gonna be that strong. This is the Knight of Pentacles. Oh my god. This is the Page of Wands. I mean, you guys have learned a lot in your personal lives, but you have learned a lot with each other. This person, or your no contact, gave you an initiation to that. You know what the important thing about all of this that I'm understanding? They told you and you told them that, you know what, we can live without each other, just to tell you that, you know what, stop giving your energy to everyone around you and start doing something for yourself. This is the whole point of you separating, that stop giving your energy to those people who are around you because you love them, because you have this divine nature to be a giver, right? You have a lot of responsibilities, and they too do. Okay, you both have responsibilities, or maybe you had before you came together, and I see that situation got this stuck. And guys, trust me, when readings come, it comes with a lot of cleansing, it comes with a lot of healing, it comes with a lot of insights, right? And then you have a deeper understanding of yourself, your life, life in general, and your your partner, where you are all like emotionally dealing with them, and um, you both can't talk to each other straightforwardly. Yeah, you know what, this is the right thing, and I feel this for you, and they would be always like, get away from me, right? So both of you are like, when they are close to you, you are like, get away from me. This is what I'm picking up from your energy. When you're close, every single time you think of getting close, and when you are close, you are like, get away from me. Both of you are like that. Nobody can chase in this relationship, because I see your person chasing you. I see your person chasing you. I don't know. You are chasing them. You're waiting for a message from them. They are looking for you in the material world. I mean, Yes, they think about you. Okay, they think about you all the time. You are someone, see, I already told you, you are someone who has this connection from earth to sky. Okay, and this is more like a Devi Ma's blessing on you. Whenever they think about divine, they think about you, because they're praying for you, they are asking for you. And I mean, I see that they always miss you, they always miss you. They try and find their heart, always nostalgic, like being with you, holding your hands, you know, helping you grow, helping you, making you walk, but they can't. And that, if you think that you are hurt, that they are not together with you, and it hurts you, that you know what, I never shared my problems with this person. Yeah, they feel the same thing, that they could not be with you when you needed support. Oh my god. So yeah, this life is gonna be hard if you're without them. Okay, this life is gonna be hard when they are without you. It's more like Radhe Krishna. Their life was not easy to understand this, that they have to let go of each other at some point. Okay, and your both life is not easy when you have to understand or realize that, we are not together. We are not together to give each other support, to tell each other what we feel inside. And no matter how much they want to do it, but deep down inside, no matter how much you both want to talk to each other about your emotions, it's a 3D world. Okay, I see that there's a 3D world involved. I see there is growth in 3D world. Okay, in creativity. This is more like responsibilities. This is more like responsibilities. Okay, and the world teaches you how to, get out from your emotions and actually do or create something in the physical world, right? Till how long you are gonna feel victim inside, till how long you're gonna feel bad inside, and one day you will, get up and start doing something and start working something. I realized that you had your own dreams, both of you. You are a power couple, by the way. This is a power couple reading. They miss you. Okay. But they are also not letting go of their responsibilities. And that's what making, so you both have responsibilities, you both are free souls, you both are free spirits, but then there is like, you could be dealing with someone who is elder to you. Okay, you could be dealing with someone who is maybe married. Okay, or maybe this person has children, something like that. Okay, I see that for the creation. Thank you, Krishna. Krishna and Radhe Krishna is more like very prominent in this reading. Radhe Krishna has given me this message. This is the Krishna's card. Okay, the Page of Wands. You want to create something. Krishna is the supreme creator. Krishna is the most higher creator, right? And this is a world, and you've got to, move forward. And this is why they are also telling you that, you know what, I can't support you right now, right? And no matter how I feel, no matter how I feel, and there is gonna be, I just feel there is gonna be a divine time for both of you. And I'm not making this up. This came to me, in this reading very often, that there is gonna be a divine time. You both will realize that the whole world is telling you to, fight amongst each other. Okay. And then you realize we just want to be together. It's that simple. Okay. When you're the divine lovers, you get together at some point, and I just have this Mr. and Mrs. Smith feeling for you. Okay. You want to be creative, irrespective of how bad you feel, how small you feel inside, how your inner self is like treating you. You know what? You're not good enough, right? No, you are. You are gonna get up sometime and you're gonna start creating something. Maybe it's just a small thing that you create, okay? But you're gonna create something. This is why this time is making you strong to, when they are not with you, you've got to be there for yourself. Okay. I just have this feeling nobody in your family knows how deep down inside both of you feels. Both of your family does not know, but they know somewhere to some extent that, this and this person exist in your life, and their family knows this and this person exist in their life. Okay, but I don't know why, but I just feel that you have pretended so well that your family feels that, or their family also, they have pretended so well that nobody in the world knows how devastated you feel without them. I just have this feeling, I don't know why, but you guys have pretended it so well to each other, because you can't do anything. You can't do anything with this relationship when you get close to this person like, no, stay away from me. And when you are close to this, and when this person comes to you, you're like, no, right? Both of you are, there is a, what do we say it? There is an attraction to each other, but then there is, stay away from me, stay away from me. There is a repelling also. Attraction and repelling both are there in both of you. It's why, because you're both complete. You're not a positive person, and they are not a negative person. Exactly. They are not a positive person, and you're not a negative person. You have your positives and negatives, and this person has their positives and negatives also. So when you feel like, you know what, I want to be with this person, that's a positive feeling. Okay, they're going, and then this person feels like, I want to be with this person. They're like positive. They're coming together, and they are repelling. This is what's happening, right? And when so this is what repelling is. The same poles does not meet. When one is positive and one is negative, they meet. They are attracted towards each other. But when one is positive, the other one is also positive, they repel. This is what's happening with you. Okay. Let's see where this reading is going. I'm gonna take 2 more cards, and I'll get you free after this reading. Okay, great. Let's see. Any other cards, Divine? Thank you. The Moon card. And there's a 6 of Wands card. I'll take one more, okay? Again, the Knight of Swords. Okay. Right. There's the Wheel of Fortune card. You know what? This person, I told you, this person feels devastated without you. Okay? They keep thinking about you, you keep thinking about them, but you're like poles apart. You're away from each other. This is what I see in you. Okay? They are devastated. They are devastated without you. Okay? I see that this card's placement was somewhere, all of the things that has happened between you and them. All of the things that has happened between you and them, they're drowning. They are drowning, and as they are letting it go, basically I can also see they are letting it go. They are drowning and they are letting it go. So with all this submergence, with all this submittance, with all this surrendering, okay, they are making it heavier on themselves, and because this is something, their spirit is gonna come out, right? So this is a positive cards. They are devastated, they are going down, and then they are going to be submerged, because then they are going to be emerged. Okay. when you see these two cards together, I can tell you one thing, that uh, they're doing this so that they can take some kind of responsibility in their own hands, right? That, you know what, something is my dream, like you are their dream, okay? Yes, you are their dream, okay? When they were with you, they felt like everything is great with you. You both have, this, I don't know, both of you are public figures. Both of you are public figures. And I don't know if you have it in you or they have it in them, but this is a very strong thing that you both are gonna, go about life, and you're gonna be popular, you're gonna be famous, both of you, right? And what I'm gonna tell you this is that you are like a dream for them. And do not, if you've watched this reading till now, do not take this lightly, because I literally prayed to God before this reading, and God gave you this with the Lovers card. Yes, you guys love each other, so one of you will have to understand that whatever happens, you have to, make the good side in front of you, and you have to also understand where your you know where your layers are, right? So always realize that you also have some kind of limits to some person, right? Whatever your limits are, by the way. If something bad is happening, take your side also, okay? If something is going apart, you can also, take the divine way. I mean, that's completely on you, but this reading was, to give you hope, to tell you whether they think of you, right? What they think of you. Yeah. So they are coming soon. I can see they are coming soon, and they're gonna make it public. Okay, they're drowning. I can see they're drowning. Okay, so that they can take the responsibility, so that they can be free from something. Okay, I just think that they are coming to you very soon. Very soon, they're gonna text you, they're gonna visit you, and claim this reading by, triple 1111 double four triple four. We have the Lovers card, we have Hanged Man card. Okay, they are coming to you, they're gonna make this possible in 3D world. Okay, yeah. So you have Devi's blessing in here, you have Radhakrishna's blessing in here, plus this is gonna be I see a mistletoe here. Okay, it could be around Christmas, it could be before Christmas, it could be on 18th of some month. We have 1111, it could be 11th of December also. We had 12 12 11 11 very strong in this reading. So yeah, it could be around, 11 December, it could be around 12th of December, it could be around 25th of December. I see a mistletoe here. Okay, I see somebody is gonna visit you, and this is, they are coming to you very strong. They are coming to you. This is the Wheel of Fortune card, this is the Page of Pentacles. They are coming to you, they are coming to you. 10 of Pentacles card. Oh my god, oh my god, this is happening because you are see, I am not supposed to tell you this, but I'm gonna tell you this. Okay, some things in readings we are not supposed to tell, even though we know it, but just to make sure that be protected wherever you are. I'm just gonna give you the gist of it. Be protected wherever you are. You know, even spiritually be protected. Cover yourself, or do some oiling. Okay, this is what's gonna help you, and it's because there is a kind of situation where you guys will be needing each other's support in the coming time. Okay, this is why divine is making them happen. Okay, making them come to you. So if you're getting all positive readings in these days, I'm just going to tell you this, that you are choosing your positivity. First of all, divine is seeing you, divine is helping you, and Yeah, there is Two of Cups. I am so sure about you. About if you bought this reading with a whole positivity, I'm gonna give you a lots of kisses, a lots of Radhe Krishna's blessing, and I hope Radhe Krishna bless you. I hope Devi Ma bless you. Okay, and yeah, I'm thinking to tell you now. Okay, subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the notification bell icon. You want to book a reading with me? Book a reading with me on WhatsApp. So I'm just happy. Okay, I love you guys. I'll see you next time, or I will see you in your personal reading. Take it how it resonates. Bye.